Bellegarde. Can't find Matheus Cunha again. It's the 163rd Black Country derby. There is no love lost between these fans. Matheus Cunha winding up for one. Didn't catch it at all well. Can't score from all angles, but didn't connect there. Furlong. Wallace. It's past Totti Gomez. Wallace across. He's swift. He's put Dawson down. And it goes behind off the former West Brom defender. Angle was so tight against him there. Just trying to force it towards goal. Back it comes from Mowat. Well, intercepted by Matt Doherty. And Wolves have a breakaway here. Pedro Neto away to the right. It's Pedro Neto. Still Neto, and still Pedro Neto has scored! Wolves star man delivers on derby day! Fantastic credit has to go there to Matt Doherty though. He made it. The carry and the ball was perfect for Neto, who can finish for Wolves and did just that. His first strike for the old gold since September. And for him personally, that will have been well worth the wait. West Brom 0, Wolves 1. West Brom trying to hit back here with Swift. Urged forward by Carlos Corberán to his left. Still Swift. Couldn't find Townsend, but back here to Mowat. Across to Wallace, and Thomas Asante coming in! Collides there with Kilman. No penalty for now, and Kilman gets it away. Well, Thomas Asante kicks through the back of Kilman there. An awkward coming together. Doyle into Totti Gomez. Thought about the shot. Finds Jean-Ric Bellegarde. Just past the post. That might have sealed it for Wolves. Bent it beautifully there, the Frenchman. Couldn't get it to come back inside. Thomas Asante. Doherty's missed it. His fellows. Back for Thomas Asante! Into the Brummie Road end, just when he needed some composure. He's been waiting for that chance all game. Mowat. Swift. Wolves defending deeply. It's Swift! Jose Sarr confident to watch that one sail over the top of his crossbar. Just didn't come back down there. High ball over the top, finds Matheus Cunha. It's Cunha for Wolves! It's 2-0! It's going to be their day on Albion soil again. A long time in the waiting, but Matheus Cunha has sealed the deal for Wolves. There's nothing more than a hopeful boot over the top from Kilman. Matheus Cunha bent his run and had the pace to get away from Carl Bartley. And the finish to be Albion goalkeeper Josh Griffiths. Pause due to crowd disorder. We are back underway with increased security. Fellows and Swift. It's just not happening for West Brom. They've had so many half chances, they just haven't had the quality. Chirewa. Matheus Cunha could be in again, almost identical position, and this time Griffiths comes up with a top stop.